Hi, I'm Dave Beggs. I'm with Renegade Manufacturing. We're live today here at the Tampa RV Show. Today we have our classic motorhome, which is our foundation of our company. It's a fantastic, well-built coach. This happens to be our 45-foot bunkhouse model, and this is actually a fully painted coach. It's hard to see from your side, but this is actually a solid white motorhome, front to rear. So we start out with the big over-the-road Cascadia truck with a 600-horse engine. It's got 22.5-inch rubber for great handling and control. And as you go through, it even has things like collision avoidance, side assist systems here. We have our large storage compartment doors. We even have inside of here our old pull-out C96 True freezer refrigerator. It's wonderful to have as an extra to go along with the coach's big refrigerator inside. And our outdoor entertainment center. And then all underneath this gorgeous awning, it's a hallway or a two-stage awning. And this is going to cover the coach. We also have a spare if you want to cover the whole thing. There's another awning behind it that's not open. Through the back we have more storage here. This slide out encompasses the bunk area. Of course, here at the show we have a display with all of our coach floor plans and designs. Right here on every coach we show that so you can see all the different ideas we have. Towards the back of the motorhome we have a lot of storage back here. This just happens to have a lot of things in it right now, but as you can see it even has a trunk storage that goes all the way underneath the underside. Back of the coach, of course, we come around, we have all of our hitch systems. This motorhome is capable of pulling up to 30,000 pounds. So this is a true over-the-road truck that we use. It's not a recreational vehicle type truck. This is heavy built to last over 1 million miles, easily. So big heavy hitch systems here. If you even pull a big trailer that has air brakes, we even put that standard on it. That's enough outside here. Let's go around inside and take a peek. As we walk up through into the interior, everything is solid steel framing and all has solid surface finishes on the door, so everything stays clean even when it gets a little bit messy from outside. Not inside. As you enter this coach, this is our bunk model. In the front here, of course, is our driving cockpit, all completely contained. This has got a complete system in it. It's very automotive-like, not like an old truck at all. This is all modern wraparound systems, complete heating and air conditioning off of the truck. So it's very comfortable, very solid, very stable and safe vehicle to be in. This one happens to have the overhead berth, solid here. It even has an escape hatch on top here for those that want to get up onto the roof, or for an emergency's sake, you have that as well. It's just peace of mind. On this side of the coach, this is what we call roadside, and it's going to have complete booth that will convert to sleeping. This happens to have our hide-a-bed sofa here. This can also be a lounger or recliner chairs in here. In the galley or kitchen area here, we have all solid wood doors. One of the things that Renegade boasts is that all of its cabinetry is solid wood throughout. It doesn't have fillers, it doesn't have artificial coatings. This is true wood inside and out. These are all custom built. And all Renegades, not just the Classic, but this is our foundation coach again. And it has all of these important features that make it hold up over time. So that's why a Renegade, when it goes down the road after several thousand miles, is still holding up. It is all put together solidly, screwed together. Everything's planned to stay in place and not shake loose going down the highway. We have induction cooking. We have the convection microwave here. Underneath here, we've got storage areas here. We've got nice pull-out. Look at these drawers here. Drawers are just gorgeous, and we have the liners here. We have extra storage down here. It's just a really well thought out for the size kitchen we can have in this floor plan. The refrigerator is got the swing open French doors. Of course, it's running now because we've got our inverter systems in process. TV in this coach is actually mounted over the entry door. It will come out and swing and pitch towards the interior living group of the coach. Behind these doors that are louvered, these are vented because we have washer and dryer. And almost every coach we ship, people order with a washer dryer. But it does come standard as prep. In case you do not want that, you just want to use it for storage for the time being. This is just storage, another pantry here. This particular coach has 2 full baths. Very, very cool. You can order these, the classics, you can interchange different areas in the coach. So if you don't want a full bath, you can have a half. But this is one of the reasons this is so popular, is because this motorhome gives you 2 full bathrooms, which is very unusual to find in a motor coach. And it's gorgeous. Everything's just very well done. All finished solid surface tops, solid surface bath walls inside. Very, very luxurious. Even the doors are all solid wood, and the pass doors are. In here, these are all solid wood. So when you close these off, it isolates the interior. There's even ones towards the back to close off the bedroom. Of course, in the bunks here, they're solid here and finished. Easy for step up into here. This can also be ordered through with nothing here. You can have this as an open area, put a workstation in here. You can just use it as a huge wardrobe area if you wish, for extended travels. Very, very nice way to have that option. And you can change that over time. And then, of course, back here you have wardrobe on each side. Nice full-size 72-inch by 80 king bed back here. This gives us our required window here called our egress, which is your escape window. And because sometimes folks want to have just a headboard up there, but that can only be done if you have the egress. In this particular case, the customer is looking for a lot of openness and an airy feel inside to cut down claustrophobia. In the back end of the coach, of course, this motorhome has got full tile front to rear. Every one of our coaches we build with full tile floors. And then in the full bath in the back here, this is, of course, the private bath of the coach. And it's got a nice 42 by 40 shower back here. It has a fully electric toilet system that goes right to our pair of black and gray tanks, each one 75 gallons. So waste we can carry up to 150. We also have 150-gallon fresh water on board. Air conditioning systems, we have 3 in this motorhome, so it's 45 foot long, and it has a 12,500 watt Onan generator on board. So it's just a little glimpse, a little overall of our Classic. You got to come out to the show and see it. It's fantastic. These are one of the top motorhomes you're ever going to find that are just to be used and used for as long as you need to. It's just, they're gorgeous coaches and very comfortable to live in. So we thank you for visiting Renegade, and look forward to seeing you come to the show.